So it's a great pleasure for me to introduce LifeSenz Cancer Research Labs Private Limited in Mumbai. LifeSenz is a science and technology-driven biomedical company. We are working on three different platforms. The first one is about precision cancer therapy. As we know that cancer is a very heterogeneous disease and one treatment does not fit for everybody. So with that in mind, and there is no predicting platform for especially the chemotherapy sector. So LifeSenz is working on to develop a 3D based ex vivo platform in a very short span of time where we can predict the chemotherapy response that will be helpful for the clinician to identify, prioritize the treatment, the best treatment at the individual's level. In the second domain, LifeSenz is actively engaged in translational cancer research, discovery and development aspect, where we are already collaborating with different research universities and institutes, and we are furthermore willing to collaborate extensively with both local as well as overseas universities as well as biopharmaceutical industries. Our main priority area will be on first one is identifying the therapeutic resistance, how we can address as a therapeutic target, and how to address the unmet cancer by utilizing various combination therapies. And we are also interested to learn more about how to improve the in cancer immunotherapy aspect. So these are the three priority areas which we are working on and would like to engage with other research partners. In the third domain, LifeSenz is also engaged actively with the scientific upskilling program. Skill shortage is a global issue, and most of the time, many of the occasions when academia students or the scientists they are coming into the industry, many of the time we have seen that there is a lack of competencies or whatever the industry requirements are needed that is not being available directly from the academia side. So here in this case, LifeSenz is also willing to make a bridge between academia and industry by providing industry-oriented research and training relevant platforms or programs where students, scientists and young biopharma professionals can come work together with us, and they can be future ready for the biopharmaceutical industry, whether they want to work locally or they want to work globally, and that can be helpful to generate a kind of a skillful future manpower for the biopharmaceutical industry. LifeSenz is having a dedicated state-of-the-art research facilities which include Class 7 and Class 8 standard main room, where we are having two dedicated DSLT level main rooms. One is for especially for primary cancer sampling, and another one is for animal tissue culture purposes. In the cell and molecular biology, we are having a wider range of instrumentation, which include ELISA platform, Western blot, real-time PCR, electrophoresis system, high content multimode imaging system, as well as plate reader. We are also having a dedicated cell storage facility. LifeSenz is also having a very skillful scientific team with experience ranges from academia as well as industry across national as well as an international platform. So overall, we believe LifeSenz activity will address the concerns of the patients and it will help the patients benefit aspect, as well as it will also create a skillful manpower which will be helpful in creating a knowledge-driven economy.